In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for and customize a template in Canva. To get started, open Canva and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the home screen, which is where you can access designs, templates, and creative tools all in one place. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. This process is very straightforward, and once you do it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. At the top of the home screen, look for the search bar. This is one of the fastest ways to find exactly the type of design you want to create. Click into that search bar and then type what you're looking for. For example, you might enter something like Instagram post, presentation, or flyer, depending on the kind of project you want to make. Using clear and specific keywords will usually help you get more relevant results. So if you already know the format you need, type that in directly. After you've entered your search term, press Enter on your keyboard. Canva will then show you a selection of available templates related to your search. Take a moment to browse through the options. You'll typically see a variety of styles, colors, and layouts, which is helpful because it gives you flexibility in choosing a design that fits your goal. Whether you want something clean and professional or bright and eye-catching, this is the stage where you can compare different looks before making a decision. When you find a template you like, click on it to preview or open its options. Then select Customize this template to begin editing. This will take you into Canva's editor, where you can start changing the design to match your needs. At this point, you're no longer starting from scratch. You're building from a ready-made layout, which can save a lot of time and help keep your design polished. As you go through this process, remember that the search step is especially important because it sets the direction for the rest of your project. Choosing the right template makes editing easier and gives you a stronger starting point. If the first few templates don't feel right, keep browsing until you find one that matches the style and purpose you have in mind. That's how to quickly search for a template in Canva and start customizing it for your own project.